In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a backup folder in Google Photos on computer. If you previously set up a folder to back up photos from your computer to Google Photos and you no longer want that folder connected, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without confusion. To get started, open Google Photos on your computer. You can do this in your web browser by going to the Google Photos website and making sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. This is important, especially if you use more than one account, because backup settings are tied to the account that is currently active. Once you're on the main Google Photos screen, give it a second to load fully so all menu options are visible. Next, look for the plus icon in the Google Photos interface. This is the button used to add or manage certain items. And from there, you'll want to select Folder Backup. When you click into Folder Backup, Google Photos will show you the folders that are currently connected for backup from your computer. This section is useful because it lets you review exactly which folders are being monitored and uploaded. If you've added more than one folder in the past, take a moment to identify the correct one before making any changes. Once you find the folder you want to stop backing up, look for the three-dot menu next to that folder. Click the three dots to open the available options. In that menu, choose Remove. This removes the backup folder from Google Photos, which means that folder will no longer continue syncing or uploading new items from your computer. As you do this, remember that removing the backup folder usually stops future backups from that folder, but it does not automatically delete photos that have already been uploaded to your Google Photos library. That means anything already backed up may still remain in your account unless you delete it separately. So if your goal is only to stop future uploads, this step is exactly what you need. And that's all there is to it. Open Google Photos on your computer, go to the plus icon, select Folder Backup, then use the three-dot menu to remove the folder you no longer want backed up. It's a quick setting to update and a helpful one if you want more control over which files are syncing to your Google Photos account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next